I think I read an article that you wrote talking about how to choose words that are easy to imagine. Can you tell us what that is about?
Yeah, so a lot of people will say like a vague word, like their product is durable, but durable doesn't have any, like it seems concrete, but when you imagine durable, there's not really like a concrete
Hmm.
image. Like, what do you mean by durable? Can it withstand damage? Can you drop it and it won't
Mm.
break? Does it last a long time? There are a lot of different associations and meaning. So there's not one concrete mental image that you imagine when you say
It's
durable
very vague, right? It can mean a lot of things for a lot of
or
people.
yeah, or even like I apply this to motivation in the book. A lot of the examples focus on motivation. So
Hmm.
if you put study in your calendar,
Hmm.
you're going to have trouble imagining that because what does that mean to study? If you put
Hmm.
something like review chemistry exams, when you look at that and think about doing that task, you can easily imagine it. And if you can imagine it, it just feels easier.